Hello friends, I welcome you to the Konexio SME IPO review. Today we brought a very niche segment company which is in the bearing segment. The company is SKP Bearings. The company has been incorporated in 1991 as a partnership firm by Sheenan Palchikar. Yes, and now the SKP bearing industry is over the period of 30 years has grown strong in manufacturing needle rollers, cylindrical rollers wheels and steel bolts. The company has got manufacturing plant in Gujarat with a capacity of 600 million rollers and 480 tons of bolts. The company caters mainly to the OEMs of automobile and the textile sector across India. The company also exports rolling element to international customers in Brazil, Argentina, and UAE. SKP Bearing Industries has also ventured in the power generation. It started its first power plant in 2012 and 2013 in Jamnagar by commissioning a capacity of 0.80 metric ton. This capacity has been used for the captive consumption. The company has not stopped over there but had also set up a solar power plant in Madhya Pradesh and in one windmill in Madhya Pradesh and one windmill in the Maharashtra. So, the total windmill capacity is around 310 megawatt, while the solar plant capacity is around 0.63 megawatt. This power plant helps company to meet its captive requirement. As I said, the company is a 30-year-old company. So, what are the strengths? What I feel, the Konexo feel, is the company's promoters has 3 decades of strong experience in roller and ball manufacturing. It is presence in the industry which has got the strong demand. As you all know, these bearing components are required in almost every machine. Without the bearing, no machine works. The company has been supplying to OEMs in the textile and automobile, and therefore the client strength is very strong. As I mentioned, the opportunity is vast because because without a bearing, the machine doesn't work. Global ball bearing market is of size 39.4 million USD billion dollar in 2021. With the growth of the industry, it is expected to grow up to $51 billion. Hence, this is a huge demand coming up for the for the bearing, that is the ball and the roller manufactured by the company. If we talk about India itself, the bearing market is valued at around US 1.8 billion and expected to rise almost double to 3.4 billion by 2027, growing at a strong CAGR of 11% during this period. India is also a manufacturing hub for most of the company worldwide, and therefore there is a huge opportunity for the bearing market. Now let's talk about this financial performance of the company. For the 9 months of FY22, the company has reported top line of around 34 crores. The company has been steadily growing, and we did not find any uh, at window dressing done for the company. Operating profit for the 9 months was around 17 crore, while the net profit was around 9 crore. The company has been consistent in the past 3 to 4 years, reporting a steady growth. The operating margin and net profit margin has been very impressive, which was up about 45% and 25% respectively. The company has shown steady performance in the past. The OPM and NPM were strong in the past few years, and also it has continued to be impressive in the current year also. Al- Furthermore, the company has not listed its client's name, but it supplies to the OEM. That indicates a strong relationship with the client with the future stability of demand and the growth. Only one concern which Konexo feels in this IPO is it's a very small player with a top line of around 35 crores will face a tough competition from the established player. But as I said, the company has established contact with the OEMs that will help them to survive better and grow prospectively in future years. Let's talk about the valuation. The shares of the company are offered at rupees 70, that is, at a premium of 60. This discount annualized FY22 EPS of rupees 8 by 9x. I feel the Konexo feel this is very fairly priced. The marine market, as explained, is very opportunist and will continue to benefit from the upbeat on demand. With Konexo feels then one can look at a company from a long-term investment perspective. Now let's talk about what are the IPO details. The IPO will start from today, that is 30th of June, and end July 5th. Issue size is around 44 lakhs equity shares offered at rupees 70, garnering around 30.8 crore, of which the company's promoters are offering for the sales, that is around 28 lakh shares, and the fresh issue will be of around 16 lakh shares. The issue price is 70, market lot is 2000, and the issue will be listing on NSE SME platform. The object of the issue is to meet the working capital of the growing company. The lead managers are Shreni Shares Private Limited. Thank you for watching Konexio View on IPO review. Thank you.